I'm Leah Tober. I've been to many therapists about my depression and anxiety, and I've been on many medications. And just this process has helped me more than all those combined. And the first couple of sessions, didn't really feel anything. But by the fourth session, I could tell that there was a difference. I wasn't depressed. And since from the fourth session to the last session, I haven't been depressed. It's been over a month. So I went from every day to over a month. Yeah. I can't honestly remember the last time I was anxious. Yeah.
Yay.
It's probably been since before that I was even anxious about anything. Really. I'm just happier. I'm a happier person, back to before I even started having anxiety. It's my old self. My dad says it's what I used to be like when I was, younger and happier and stuff before everything happened and stuff. And I'm spending more time with them and, I'm just doing more stuff. I'm not as reluctant to, get away from them and just be by myself. I'm in school and I've been focusing a lot better. So, I'm going to start taking my classes that have to do with what I want to be. And I can actually do them now that I'm more focused. I didn't want to do it. And they talked me into it and I didn't believe it. But it's just, you got to do it and give it time. Because it won't happen at first, but after a while, you'll see the progress. And it's all worth it.